At the beginning, it was just a dusty old attic full of spider webs and with no windows. And it needed to be rebuilt in its entirety, including the roof structure. We call it Zander Rooftop. We're building on top of existing houses. And we do have regularly projects like that. So it's exciting, but it obviously has also its challenges. Before using Programa, there was a lot of improvisation. The work was quite manual by then. We worked a lot in spreadsheets. Programa takes a lot of that heavy lifting and makes it super intuitive and easy. Schedules are obviously the star of the software. Make our lives easier, make the communications with the clients easier. They appreciate that clarity as well. It became way easier to track projects, track our vendors, investment clarity, both for us and the clients. The client dashboards are our main point of interactions with clients. It's not just scattered around places like email, spreadsheet, sometimes even WhatsApp, which I try to avoid by all means, but all in one place. We work a lot with busy professionals, so whenever we can streamline that part, which in most of the time is in their free time, is really to a benefit. So in such a complex project like attic conversion, where there's a lot of layers of design and a lot of steps within the implementation, like construction and interior finishing and interior construction, joinery millwork, and then furnishing. Being able to categorize that helps us to navigate through that complex project and also helps the client to understand where we are. So we can say, okay, all the hard surface materials are already ordered. We don't have to open that anymore. Now we're at the joinery. I really am a fan of Programa. I really appreciate that the software evolves and there are always new features built in for designers. I, as a user, feel really listened to by the team, honestly. So every such improvement is definitely exciting. I have the feeling that it has potential to improving the process and the efficiency of my work.